Thank you, sir, to giving me this golden opportunity to speak here. So, my dear student, today I am going to teach you about resources. So, let's get started. First thing that I know about resources is what is resources. So, resources means everything that present in our biosphere and which can be used to satisfy our need is known as resources. The the condition to resources is three condition, that is the resource is technology accessible and economically feasible and culturally acceptable. Means that technologically acceptable means it is we which we are have technology to get this this thing, and the economically feasible means the thing that give us profit, and the cultural aspect means it is accepted by the people. Resource is classified in four. Resource is four type. Resource is classified on the basis of origin. On the basis of origin, resources are two types: biotic resources and abiotic resources. What is biotic resources? Biotic resources mean the resources which is obtained by the biosphere and contain life is known as biotic resources. Example water, forest, etc. And second is abiotic resources. Abiotic resources means the resource which are composed by non-living and do not have life is known as abiotic resources. Some example of abiotic resources is a metal, minerals, etc. Second is the resource is classified on the basis of exhaustibility. On the basis of exhaustibility, resources are two types. First is renewable resource and the other one is non-renewable resource. The first question is what is renewable resource? The resource which can be renewed or reproduced is known as renewable resources. The example is the example is renewable resources is solar energy, biogas energy, etc. And second is non-renewable resources. If we talk about non-renewable resources, the resources which is not renewed or reproduced is known as non-renewable resources, like water, forests is known as non-renewable resources. third is the resources is classified on the basis of ownership. On the basis of ownership, resources are four types. First is individual resources. Individual resources means the resources is obtained by a particular person or an individual person is known as individual resource. Like example, his private property, etc. And the second one is community owned resources. Community owned resources mean the resources which is owned by a community, not a particular person. Example, a park, pond, etc. And the third one is the national resources. National resources mean the resources is owned by a state or union government is known as national resources. Example, the resources which is present in our nation is a national resources, and on the map of India 22 kilometer above the resources present is known as national resources. And the second one is international resources. International resources means the resources which is under the international government